right, it is time for Circle. Let's see, yesterday was the 10th, and today is the 11th. Next week, Mrs. Hill, is St. Patrick's Day.
It is.
What day is it?
The 17th.
Oh, no, like day of the week. Oh, is it a Wednesday or Thursday? I think it's Wednesday, because I was saying we wouldn't have school when we had it, so we're going to have a celebration before and after.
Yeah.
That's a little thing right there. All right, let's see here. Let's sing our Days of the Week song. Days of the Week.
Days of the week. Clap, clap. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Clap, clap.
There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week.
Clap, clap.
Days of the week.
Clap, clap.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Clap, clap.
Your turn.
Sunday and there's Monday.
Can't hear you.
There's Wednesday. There's Friday.
Days of the week. Days of the week.
Clap, clap.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Clap, clap.
And today is Thursday, March 11th, 2021. Let's see about our pattern. Starting here, we have clover, hat. Clover, hat. What goes here? Clover.
No, that's a week.
It's a clover. We said it was going to be rainy today. Is it rainy? No. What kind of weather do we have?
It's sunny.
It is sunny. It means we get to go outside. Yesterday was sunny too. How about tomorrow? What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow? What do we think?
Sunny.
Sunny again. I like that.
I think that's a good prediction. A whole week of sun. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. How long has it been since we've had that? Like I pulled out this. All right. Let's say our alphabet together. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right, let's count to 15. Here we go.
Let's hear ya.
1, 2, 3, 6, 9,
10, 12, 13.
There we go.
I like that big voice at the end.
Counting backwards. Let me hear you.
Big voice.
5, 2. All right. What color is my pony? Pink. What color? Pink. What color is Cecilia? Purple. What color is the bus? Yellow. What shape is green? What shape is green? What shape is brown? What shape is black? What shape is this? Rectangle. Our nursery rhyme this week is row, row, row your boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Grab your oars. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! Letter T. Hey, who's this, Mrs. Hill?
Her name is Tia.
She's from The Princess and the Frog. You ever seen that movie?
I've never seen it, so I watched it yesterday.
You've never seen it? It was okay.
It was okay.
Some scary parts, I thought. What about these down here? What are these delicious red things that Mrs. Hill loves and Mrs. Missing love to eat on a sandwich? What is that?
Strawberry.
Not a strawberry. It's a tea. Tomato. Tomato. Here's Teen Titans Go. And what is this guy right here? He is. He's a turkey. Let's hear him. Maybe. There he is. You hear him? That's what a turkey sounds like. All right. It is time to make the letter T, but first we're going to talk about where we start those letters. Let's stand up. Where do you start your letters? At the top. Where do you start your letters? At the top. If you want a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Here we go. The top? No, it's the bottom. It's the top? No, it's the middle. It's the top. Where do you start your letters? At the top. Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top. All the way down. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top? No, it's the middle. It's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Look at that. Are we ready? All right, so we are building what letter? T. T starts with a big line down under the star because it is a center starter. We don't start it over here, do we? No, we start it under the star. It is a center starter. So we say big line down. And then what do we do? At the bottom?
No.
In the middle?
No.
At the top? At the top?
Yes.
Yes. So we put the little line across the top and we made the letter T. And T says? What does it say?
Wag that finger.
That's right. All right, so my turn. Your hands are in your lap. Your voices are turned off. Your listening ears are on. My turn. Big line down. Frog jump up. Little line across the top. I made the letter T. And T says, my turn. One more time. My turn. Big line down. Frog jump up. Little line across the top. I made the letter T. Your turn. Fingers up. And we say
No.
No.
Big line down. Frog
Frog
jump
jump.
up. Little line across the top.
Ah.
One more time together. Fingers up. And we say, big line down. Frog jump up. Little line across the top. What letter did you make? What letter is it? T. And what does T say?
Ooh, bless you.
Bless you. That is the letter T. Thank you for joining us for Circle Time. That is all for today, and we will see you again tomorrow.